YouTubers, Rob here, the beard of HVAC knowledge from HVAC Service Pros, Puyallup, Washington. We're Zen, my trusty sidekick, also known as the Furnace Whisperer. He talks to the furnaces. Somehow he just knows what they're up to. He's got a knack for it. We are headed to Redmond, Washington to go do some prep work on a spray booth, a large commercial paint spray booth that is going to be relocated to a new facility in downtown Seattle. So we're getting that prepped up for them so that they can disassemble it, remove their heating unit from the roof, and transport it all to their new location. We got to remove the gas piping, make sure that the rooftop unit is ready to be craned off of the roof. That's our major task for the day. It's been a pretty busy week, so we are kind of looking forward to a nice, easy afternoon here. It's currently a beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest. Thursday, the 18th of April. Still a little bit cold, but still clear and sunny. We'll take these days anytime we can get them. All right, folks, we'll be back with you here shortly when we're up on the roof and show you what we're up to. See you then. So here we are, we're back. We're on the roof up here in Redmond. This is the direct fired gas heated makeup air unit that we're working on, getting this prepped. We currently got all the bolts from the inside where someone had bolted it to the roof curb, detached the gas piping from it. An electrical contractor will be coming to do the electrical. Remove the electrical. Yeah, might as well just shut this disconnect off for now so that they can't use it anymore. What else have we done here? We broke apart the supply air duct drop connection from the end of the unit here so that when they go to crane it off, it should lift right up once the electrical is disconnected at this point. We got the rigging points here still on from when it was installed many years ago. This is a Bonanza direct fired makeup air unit. Yeah, not really much else to show you here. I'll try to go inside and get some quick video of the spray booth. There's the exhaust stack for it. Looks like it's probably about a 36-inch round diameter exhaust stack. And yeah, good stuff. Doesn't quite look like they have 10 feet of separation there from those unit heater vents coming through the roof over to the intake, but hey, who's looking? They're done here anyway. They're moving to a new location. So all right, well, we'll catch you down below. And this is the paint booth that all that stuff up on the roof is connected to. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
So just so you guys know, we got the fan turned off on the roof now. It's off, the gas is disconnected, so it's not going to run anymore.
Okay.
You still need to get an electrician to disconnect the power.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, before you go to crane that off.
Okay.
So